Good afternoon, friends. Today we'll discuss SORA and deficiency in properly balanced essentials are one and the same. The topic can be discussed under the headings Introduction, Bonning-Hussein's views, Morrow's concept, applied biochemistry, Soric tent and body element, McCullum's concept, food, nutrition and health, Riment and Minot concept, then the last one is conclusion. Under introduction, SORA theory in the light of modern knowledge is SORA or deficiency. The deficiency of essential elements of body produce certain abnormal signs and symptoms, needs supplements. But if occurs because of lack of assimilation, then it comes under soric miasmatic manifestation. Bonning-Hussein's views. 50 remedies was published in Hahnemannian time by Bonning-Hussein. Remarkable use in the treatment of soric diseases as anti-soric remedies. They are agaricus, causticum, magnesium mure, alumina, clematis, magnum, ammonium carb, colocynth, mesaerium, ammonium mure, conium, muriatic acid, anacardium, digitalis, natrum carb, arsenic, dulcamera, natrum mure, aurum metallicum, ephorbium, calinitricum, baryta carb, graphitis, nitric acid, belladonna, guaiacum, petroleum, boric acid, heparsulf, phosphorus, bovista, iodine, phosphoric acids, calcarea carb, kali carb, platinum, carboanomalies, lycopodium, rhododendron, carbovage, magnesium carb, sarsaparilla, senega, sternum metallicum, sulfuric acid, sepia, strontium, zincum metallicum, silica, sulfur. 16 are vegetable group, 1 animal, 33 comprising the chemical elements or inorganic substances or combined of these. 3 from baryta group, platinum and aurum metallicum chemical elements, higher by atomic weight, those essentials to the construction of human body. Falling on syphilitic class need to be kept inside. 30 elements are essential to body construction. Iodine is highest atomic weight. Human body compiled of hydrogen, lithium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, then potassium, calcium, titanium, magnesium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zincum metallicum, germanicum, arsenic, bromine, tin, iodine. According to Morrow's applied biochemistry, no inert element like argon occurs in the body. Heavy elements like lead are not present in the body. Distribution of the element in the body are as follows. Elements lighter weight than iodine are evolved. The lighter kind occurring in living things because these elements are relegated to the surface of the earth. The heavier material remains in the center. Radioactive taints remains towards center of the earth. Rarely they are present in body and they are not helping in the construction. Deficiency is not because of want of food but because of want of assimilation. Body elements according to biochemistry: hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium, calcium, manganese, copper, zinc, arsenic, and iodine, all the elements in a perfect value. Arsenic remain in thyroid and brain, calcium for bricks and mortar, magnesium found throughout the body. Magnesium free diet causes convulsion. Tin is for taste. Where there is lack of tin, then there may be defect arises in the taste. Cobalt and nickel for pancreas protect from diabetes. The hormones are made up of that, so they are essential for body construction. In continuation, soda deficiency, manganese and iron. Manganese deficiency produce sterility. Riemann and Minot, J. Biological chemistry. Deficiency of manganese produce fatty degeneration of liver. McCollum, Food, Nutrition and Health. Sugar is the principal fuel which is burned by the muscles for providing energy, for keeping the body warm, for muscular work. Carbohydrate, carbon is the main element. In continuation, McCollum, Food, Nutrition and Health. Carbon occupied list of antisoric remedies. Ammonium carb, baryta carb, calcarea carb, carbo vegetables, graphites, then kali carb, magnesia carb, natrum carb and sepia. They comes under animal carbon. Calcium is an essential of bone structure and is necessary, small but constant, essential of the blood. Calcarea group in scrofulous. Then soda or deficiency. In continuation, the soric manifestation develops because of inability to assimilate or inability to relax to the point of assimilation. If the manifestation is because of want of food, then it must be considered as pseudochronic disease, as it plays the role of maintaining cause. Soda or deficiency, they are correlated to each other, but we need to remember that soda or antisoric medicine is required where there is lack of assimilation, but where there is insufficiency because of supply of food or vitamins or minerals, they should be supplied from outside in form of tablet, in form of food. But where everything is alright, still then the person is suffering from deficiency, then we need to select any antisoric remedy. The selection must be based on the totality of the symptoms. The minimum must be selected and the dose and potency must be accurate on the basis of susceptibility. Then that can be permanently removed, that can be permanently cured, and after that the human body can assimilate the food which is supplied to him without any hindrance. Thank you very much for patience listening.